All right, let's head over to the ENCA Money Desk now. Devon, many analysts are calling for aggressive interest rate cuts by the Reserve Bank.
Yeah, that meeting or announcement happens tomorrow. The Reserve Bank will announce its decision on interest rates. The MPC meeting over the last few days. It's been almost 8 years since the bank cut interest rates by 50 basis points or 0.5%. But many economists believe such a move is necessary in light of the damaging economic effects of the COVID-19 outbreak. Now, currently, this is what the situation looks like. The prime lending rate at banks is 9.75%. A cut in the repo rate today, or rather tomorrow afternoon, will bring that prime lending rate down. Now, the key question is by how much should the bank cut interest rates? A deep cut in the interest rates tomorrow could stimulate the economy by bringing down bond payments and creating some disposable income for consumers. But it will hurt savers and pensioners. They will earn lower interest on their capital. It could allow businesses to borrow more at affordable rates, and perhaps a stimulation from the economy could take place there and create some employment. But lower interest rates could be bad for the rand, especially given the threat that Moody's is likely to cut our credit rating later this month. Now, economist Gina Skuman says she sees more interest rate cuts coming after tomorrow afternoon, but warns it's not the answer to fix the economy.
Can we see more than that? Yes. There is, of course, always going to be a risk that after the 50 basis points, the SARB would have to do more. But I come back to what I said earlier. It has to be a coordinated response across government broadly. You can't just look at the South Africa Reserve Bank as the only beacon of hope in order to save the economy from something caused by this virus.
That's economist Gina Skuman there. A day before we hear that decision on the interest rate cuts, the market's back in the negative. The All Shares about 5% down this afternoon, in line with what's happening globally as we hear that we could see a global recession soon. I'll have more on what the markets are doing later in the afternoon. Tamilo.